Good morning children, welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all good. So in previous session we had discussed about comparing numbers. Am I correct children? Yes, what are the symbols we are using for comparing numbers? So first one, less than. Okay, this is less than and greater than and equals to. Okay, these are the three symbols we are using for comparing numbers. Now everyone open studio page number 42 children. Everyone open studio page number 42. So count the parts of the body, fill in the boxes with the numbers and the signs less than, greater than or equal to. One is done for you. So first we are given eyes children. So how many eyes we have? We have two eyes. So write two children. And then we are given nose. So how many noses we have? We have two noses? No, we have only one nose. So write nose. Write number 1. Now compare these two numbers children. 2 and 1. So now check it. 2 is bigger than 1 or smaller than 1? 2 is bigger than 1 now children. So here you have to place greater than symbol. Okay, so first one already we are given. Second one, hands. So how many hands we have? So count it children. 1, 2. We have 2 hands. So write number 2. Next, legs. How many legs we have? We have 2 legs. So write 2. We have 2 hands and 2 legs. Now compare these two numbers children. Here 2 and here also 2. So same numbers. So both are same means what we have to do children here? We have to place equal to symbol. Okay, here two numbers are same. We have to place equal to symbol. Next, head. So how many heads we have? We have 2 heads or 3 heads? No, yeah, everyone have 2 heads children? No. So we have only 1 head. And how many ears we have? How many ears we have? 1, 2. So write 2 children. Now compare 1 and 2. So check it first. 1 is bigger than 2 or smaller than 2 children? Yes, 1 is smaller than 2. So here the first number is smaller. No, you have to place less than symbol. So check it children. If the first number is bigger, you have to place greater than symbol. Here 2 is bigger no children. So you have to place greater than. And here we are comparing 1 and 2. 1 is smaller than 2. So you have to place less than symbol. And the last one, toes in 1 foot. So means count the number of fingers. So how many fingers we have? You have in 1 foot 5 fingers now. So write 5. And how many eyes you have? How many eyes we have children? So count it 1, 2. So we have 2 eyes. Now compare 5 and 2. So 5 is bigger than 2 or smaller than 2 children? 5 is bigger number. Am I correct children? 5 is bigger than 2. So here first number is bigger children. So which symbol we have to place? Greater than. Okay, which symbol we have to place? Greater than. So write greater than symbol. Okay, next complete this. Okay, here some letters are missing. So just check it and complete the missing letters. First, E, Y. So here 2 letters are missing. 2 is equal to 2. And here given E dash R and S. So complete the missing letters children. E, Y, E, S. Eyes. So how many eyes we have? 2 eyes. And ears here A is missing. E-A-R-S. We have 2 eyes and 2 ears. So that's why here place equal to symbol. Okay, both are same now. 2 eyes and 2 ears. Now open companion, children. Yes, everyone open companion. Page number 24. Open companion, page number 24. Count the number of objects in each group. Write the numbers in the boxes given below. Fill in the box in the number in the middle with less than, greater than or equal to. Okay, here given groups of objects. So just count it and write the number. So first, how many balls are there? You have to write here and count it. How many balls are here? And then you have to fill in the boxes middle with less than or greater than or equal to. So you have to place the correct symbol. Okay. So for example, here first 7 balls and here 2 balls. Now in the middle you have to fill it with correct symbol. Less than or greater than or equal to. You have to check it, children. 7 is bigger than 2 or smaller than 2 and write the correct symbol. Okay, so this is your homework, children. So everyone complete companion page number 24. So this is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.